From a single store to an entire commercial city, Dahua Cloud Service connects devices, users, installers, and the ARC through one unified cloud security network. A new store is about to open. The installer begins deploying the Airshield intrusion alarm system. After installation, simply apply for ARC service online. The system quickly connects the site to the ARC center. Dahua Cloud Service seamlessly connects the store, the cloud, and the ARC, making cloud onboarding simple and efficient. What if a device goes offline or encounters a fault? With DoLink, installers can remotely monitor device status and perform remote diagnostics, enabling faster response, improving efficiency, and reducing unnecessary service visits. Device status is synchronized to the cloud in real time, enabling faster remote maintenance and more proactive service. As night falls, Dahua's monitoring devices respond instantly to any incident. Alarm events are uploaded to Dahua Cloud Service and instantly delivered to the ARC. With live video verification, the ARC quickly assesses the situation and responds. Meanwhile, users receive instant alerts and remotely view the site. From deployment and remote maintenance to alarm response, Dahua Cloud Service connects users, installers, and the ARC, making security simpler, smarter, and more efficient.